Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard on a Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop using two easy and effective methods. This is super useful if you want to prevent accidental key presses. Maybe you're watching a movie, walking away from your desktop, or just want to keep kids or pets from messing with your keyboard. Let's dive right in. First up is a tool called KeyFreeze. It's completely free and allows you to lock both your keyboard and mouse without turning off your screen or logging you out. To get started, open your browser and search for KeyFreeze download. Click on the official site and hit the download button. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it. It's a small program and installation only takes a few seconds. Now when you open KeyFreeze, you will see a simple interface. Click the button that says Lock Keyboard and Mouse. Your keyboard and mouse will be completely disabled. This is perfect if you want to leave your laptop unattended without closing any programs or minimizing your work. To unlock your keyboard and mouse, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, then press Skip, and you are back in action. Okay, now let's move on to a more advanced but very useful method using AutoHotKey. This tool lets you create a tiny script that you can run anytime to disable or enable your keyboard with custom shortcuts. First, head over to AutoHotKey.com and download the software. It's lightweight and completely free. After installing AutoHotKey, right-click anywhere on your desktop, go to New and select AutoHotKey Script. Give it a name like Keyboard Lock. Once the file is created, right-click on it and choose Edit Script. Delete everything inside and paste in this code. The first one is K block input on, and below it is U block input off. Save the file, then double-click it to run the script. That's it. Now every time you press Ctrl plus K, your keyboard and mouse will be locked. Press Ctrl plus U to unlock them again. This method is perfect for those who want a fast and flexible option. You can even set this script to run when Windows starts or expand it to lock only the keyboard and leave the mouse active. You have now learned two different ways to unlock your keyboard, one with a simple tool and one with a powerful scripting option. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss more helpful tech tutorials like this one. And let me know in the comments which method you prefer, KeyFreeze, AutoHotKey, or do you use something else entirely? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.